Is DoorDash constantly delivering to the wrong address? You're not alone. Common causes include inaccurate map pins and drivers missing key delivery notes. DoorDash relies on GPS and user-placed pins for routing. The first fundamental step is to ensure your map pin is located at the exact entrance of your location, not just near the building. Open the DoorDash app and use the enhanced Pin Your Location feature introduced in mid-2024. Manually drag the pin on the satellite map to pinpoint your doorstep. This has been shown to reduce errors by up to 15%. Finally, double-check your address, enable notifications, and be ready to respond if your driver contacts you. Besides map pins, driver notes are crucial for accurate DoorDash deliveries. Be clear, brief, and specific in your notes. For example, instead of Apt 5, write Apt 5B buzz upon arrival. This specificity helps drivers locate you accurately. DoorDash now uses AI to scan and prioritize key instructions in notes, so make them count. Add landmarks like green door or left of the oak tree to guide drivers. If you have specific instructions, like a back entrance, clearly state them. Before placing your order, always double-check the PIN and the delivery notes. Don't just rely on one or the other. DoorDash's algorithm weighs pins over typed addresses, so inaccuracies propagate quickly if your PIN is off. Also, utilize the new verification mode, where drivers must confirm delivery locations via photos, cutting down on disputes.